Look, this person is bending wood to make a railing as if it were rubber, not wood. But how is that possible? Wood is hard and breaks easily when bent. Actually, the substance that makes wood rigid is lignin. However, if lignin can be removed from the wood or softened, the wood will become as flexible as rubber. That's why these people wrap the wood in an electric heating blanket to make it pliable. The heat from the blanket softens the lignin in the wood, making it as soft as rubber. After that, they shape the wood and then let it cool. As the lignin cools, the wood becomes solid and strong again.